How to add Visa gift card to Doordash. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and then head over to doordash.com. Doordash is a San Francisco based company that operates an online food ordering and food delivering platform. Over here, you first want to log into your account. You can do that by entering your credentials. Once you have been logged into your account, if you want to add a Visa gift card on this account, you simply want to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on this option, you're going to find a menu. From here, click on the payment option. Once you click on the payment option, you're going to find all of your saved payments here. You also have the option to add new payment method if you want to. From this list, you want to click on the option of credit/debit card. Once you click on this option, a box is going to appear. Now on this box, you will have to fill up some details. Here, first of all, you want to fill up your card number. Once you have entered your Visa card number, enter your CVV number. Then enter the expiration date of your card. After that is done, you want to enter the zip code. Check all the details to ensure that everything is accurate. Once you have checked it, click on the Add Card option. Once you do that, your Visa gift card will be added to Doordash. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.